Energy expenses are a part of life.
They are also part of the cost of doing business.
But there are also proven, no-cost, or low-cost steps everyone can take to save energy. Energy-efficient measures can help lower energy costs, increase productivity, improve the bottom line, obtain attractive investment return, improve competitive position, and show environmental responsibility.
What is your energy profile? How much energy do you use? Where do you use energy? How much does it cost? You may be surprised to find out how much money you spend on energy.
It's time to get your hands on these proven savings methods. More efficient lighting is cost-effective and often increases productivity. Most buildings have room for improvements in energy efficiency. Several simple measures can save money and increase comfort. Attention to your equipment and machines brings multiple benefits. Assistance is readily available for optimizing motor use and costs. Business-related transportation costs can be managed to reduce expenses.
Lighting is both the largest user of electricity and the easiest area in which to save in commercial buildings. You can lower your lighting bills by installing energy-efficient equipment such as fluorescent and compact fluorescent lamps, as well as task lighting, reflectors, and lighting controls. Using energy-efficient equipment also reduces the incidence of eye strain and headaches among employees, actually improving worker productivity.
Energy-saving retrofits also can raise the market value of a building and provide an edge in competitive leasing markets. Your choice of lighting equipment will depend on your application, but certain equipment is commonly found in effective lighting systems. Energy-efficient fluorescent lamps are more expensive than standard, but the energy savings more than compensates for the extra cost. When replacing standard fluorescents with energy-efficient lamps, it's necessary to replace the existing ballasts. When doing so, be sure to specify electronic ballasts. Task lighting is simple. Uniformly light the areas where you actually need the light, rather than the entire area.
Reflectors can increase the effectiveness of a lighting fixture and reduce energy costs by about 10%. CFLs last about 10 times longer than incandescent lamps. Lighting controls can be used to manually shut lights off when they aren't needed. Occupancy sensors are convenient for turning lights off when certain areas such as conference, storage, and restrooms are unoccupied. Auto-dimming controls are available that automatically adjust light levels according to existing daylight. A rebate from your utility company can further cut the already short payback periods for investing in energy-efficient lighting.
Did you know that each year, poorly insulated windows account for as much lost heating as the amount of energy flowing through the Alaskan pipeline annually? Your office space probably has room for plenty of low-cost energy efficiency improvements. Start by isolating unused spaces, close heating and cooling vents, and cover existing windows. Sealing unused exterior windows and doors can represent a valuable security benefit, too. One of the easiest and quickest dollar-saving techniques is caulking leaks in your building. Replace any broken or cracked glass. Use automatic door closers. Use an exterior insulating cover on window-mounted or above-door air conditioners during winter. Make sure the space around your AC is thoroughly sealed.
People spend many energy dollars on heating and cooling their offices. Employee comfort is a high priority, and product quality may dictate certain temperature requirements. The following basic steps can save energy, increase comfort, and enhance equipment operation. Programmable thermostats offer as much as a 50% rate of return on energy dollars. Have a trained specialist inspect and perform maintenance on your furnace and cooling system, replacing dirty air filters, cleaning intake screens, condenser coils, supply registers, and return grills can make a big difference in your energy bills.
Cleaning intake screens, condenser coils, supply registers, and return grills can make a big difference in your energy bills.
Typical duct systems lose energy from your heating and AC equipment. Use duct tape to seal duct joints and elbows where accessible. Have a boiler. Consider switching to natural gas, if possible. Replace your boiler with the high-efficiency model. Hire a professional engineer or trained specialist to optimize your system's ventilation rate. Your hot water temperature is often set higher than you really need. Gradually set the temperature downward until you reach an optimum. One of the most effective measures you can use is an insulating jacket for the water heater. You can use the sun's energy to maximize natural lighting and heating. If you live in a very warm, sunny climate, you might want to minimize the effects to cut down on your AC expense. Electricity use for office equipment is growing faster than any other category of electricity used in the commercial building sector. Here are some ideas to help you save. Turn off equipment when not in use. Buy energy-efficient equipment. Electric motors are used in pumps, fans, and compressors, and for materials processing and handling.
Here are 4 ways to achieve savings. Install efficient motors. Newer models tend to be more reliable, produce less waste heat, and run more quietly than standard models. Downsize oversized motors. 0.30% of all industrial and commercial motors operate at less than 50% of full load, resulting in substantial inefficiency costs. Install variable speed drives. Doing so can reduce motor energy use by 10%, 70%. Adhere to proper maintenance schedules. Encouraging employees to use rail and bus mass transit is the most cost-effective means of alleviating urban gridlock and air pollution from private vehicles. Ride-sharing such as car or van pooling can be an effective transportation measure. Alternative work schedules shift work hours away from peak traffic flow time, which decreases traffic congestion, commuting time, and driver anxiety.
Now that you have some idea of how to proceed with energy efficiency improvements, you are ready to get started. Begin by gathering and totaling all your energy costs. Get a professional energy audit, or do a self-audit. Enlist the aid of staff members. Develop a list of your best options, implement your plan, and take action. Track savings and energy use. Please send us your story. We'd like to know about your savings and successes, so we can share them with others. Learn more at earthsaversinstitute.com. Remember, you, too, can be an Earth Saver.